history at LIMA 2017. Today we are back at the maritime zone. We are focusing on the Malaysian naval defense industry as well as in the Royal Malaysian Navy.
We are in the future Navy section. So as you see, our Chief of Navy has actually envisaged a program to transform 15 class of ship into 5 class of ship in view to develop a modern Navy as well as towards to reduce the constraint in terms of maintenance and organization of fleets. So what we have here is the sea basing project. We have auxiliary ship Tun Azizan as well as sea base Tun Sharifah Rozia, so that whenever we need to deploy our force far from our operational base, so we have these two platforms to accommodate our forces, our ships in terms of probably logistic as well as operational support. We have planned to procure like new littoral combatant ship, probably from we have signed an agreement with France, so that we are planned to have it around 2023. So this is the model of the littoral combatant ship that we are going to have. By having this ship, we are going to move more towards the Navy vision, which is to be the world-class Navy. Now we come to the underwater section, where we focus more on our submarine force, where currently we have 2 Scorpion submarine constructed by French and Spain. So this is a very good submarine. It has a very good sensor, and we have been operating this submarine since 2009. So we have conducted numerous exercises with local forces and as well as foreign navies. This is a flagship and pride of Royal Malaysian Navy. Okay, now we are in special force booth, the Pascal. They are the pride of our Navy, crème de la crème. They can be deployed from everywhere, sea, air and land. Now we are in missile and torpedo section. You can see here is the shipborne torpedo system A244S from WAS, produced in Livorno, Italy. We use this torpedo from a ship, deploy it from a ship to hunt for submarine. What you can see here is our Mermer 40, also surface-to-surface missile. This torpedo is equipped on board our frigate. Behind there is the submarine vehicle of SM-39, anti-ship missile that is deployed from a submarine to destroy a surface ship. And what we have here is actually the missile itself when it is deployed from above the sea level.
We are very lucky to get a contract from the government to build 4 what we call littoral mission ships in collaboration with Chinese shipyard. The arrangement is for us to use their design, and for the first 2 to be built there, and the subsequent 2 will be built in one of our yards. And of course, we'll be actively involved in determining the specification and monitoring and ensuring that our requirements or the Navy's requirement at the end user be met. From the Navy's perspective, because we build for them, We believe that it is mainly for supplementing the effort of our Coast Guard, in for peacetime patrolling and law enforcement. Although the primary responsibility is the Coast Guard, the Navy is still supplementing. So this is a fairly straightforward vessel. As you know, the size is below 70 meters, and the armaments are fairly basic. And however, it's designed to be very versatile and also very practical. So of course, although we have been building ships, including what we call the LCS or frigates, this is just as useful for us in terms of learning the techniques of the Chinese designers in the shipyards.
This project is a proposal for our Royal Malaysian Navy as a sea basing for offshore sea base. This is a self-propelled sea base that they can accommodate about 40 people on board. Then can accommodate also small craft from stern area, and also they have a landing pad for helicopter landing. We designed for Sabah water area that required for sea-based operation, that required for our military purpose. There are another program for that. So for this vessel, existing sea-based, the Navy, they have only fixed platform. That we propose better solution for Navy based on this self-propelled sea base, so they can move in area movable.
This is the ocean or offshore patrol vessel. Okay, we are in the process of procuring these OPVs, 3 of them, and we are in the final stages of signing the contract. Since this is an offshore patrol vessel, it will be deployed in the exclusive economic zone. Okay, the focus for the areas of operation will be in the exclusive economic zone. And some of the missions that we are looking at is to counter illegal fishing, also environmental pollution, and counter piracy operations. The one that we are procuring is designed by Damon, and they will be built by 2 companies. It's a joint venture between Tabung Haji Heavy Engineering and Seni Berhad. This vessel will be equipped with the same type of gun that has been installed, or that will be installed on the NGPC, which is the Aselsan 30mm smash weapon. And then it will be also equipped with the UAV. And we have 3 boats on board, and these boats will be used to, actually this ship will act as a mother ship, and then we will launch the boats to do the operations. So the concept of operation will be that we have the ship out at sea, and then we will launch the UAV, and so the UAV will be doing the surveillance to look for any illegal fishing activities or any other illegal activities. Once we have spotted the vessel and then identified, then we will launch the small boats. And it has the boats will, one boat will be using the stern launch method.